Hello everyone, this is Akansh Suman here. Now we are going to solve the questions based on the 4 bar chain. In the question it is given that for the mechanisms to be crank rocker, the length of the link PQ, we have to find out the length of the link PQ. We have to find out the possibility for the length of the link PQ. First we need to understand, you all know that there is a Groshof law which says that for the continuous relative motions between the number of links, the summation of the length of the longest and the shortest link should not be greater than the summation of length of the other two links. So basically here we don't know what is the shortest link, which one is the shortest link, okay, but out of 4 options we can say this is the longest link because there is not no options which is greater than the 600. So basically generally we can say this is the longest link, okay. So how can we find out the length of the PQ? First, we need to understand Grashoff's law in the mathematical form, that is says that S plus L less than equal to P plus Q. P plus Q is the length of the other two links, okay, other than shortest and longest link. Here, first we need to satisfy this equation, then we will decide, okay, what would be the length of the link PQ. But in the question, there it is given that there is a crank rocker mechanisms. So if there is a crank rocker mechanisms, that means S plus L greater than P plus Q is not the possibility, will not be there, because if the law is not satisfied, that means if S plus L is greater than P plus Q, we will get double rocker mechanisms. But in the question it is already being said that there is a crank rocker mechanisms, so this will not be the relations we have to use, okay. We don't have to use this relation, we have to focus on this relation. There are two possibility, either it is less than or it would be equal to. If I talk about the equal to sign, S plus L is equal to P plus Q, in the case we get two mechanisms. The first is parallelogram and the other is deltoid linkage. There are two possibilities, okay. In case of parallelogram, the link would be like that, 2 2 3 3, like that, okay. In the here we can say this is the 1 4 3 2, like that, okay. So this is basically deltoid linkage. Now in case of parallelogram, the length of the links like that, but here we cannot say, seeing this diagram we cannot say this is the parallelogram, this will not be the parallelogram because the dimensions is different to each other. When we talk about the deltoid linkage, there is a possibility for it to be a deltoid linkage, okay. But in case of deltoid linkage, when we fix the shortest link, we will get double crank mechanisms. Understand it carefully, there are a lot of concepts which are going to be cleared here. Double crank, and the revision is also here. You'll get double crank mechanisms when you fix the shortest link, okay. But here what we are going to get, crank rocker mechanisms, okay. Now if we fix the longest link, we will get the crank rocker mechanisms. There is a possibility here to get the crank rocker mechanisms, but we know that here the longest link is not fixed. We have fixed this link of 400 length, okay. We have not fixed 600 length, okay. We have fixed the 400 length link, so this is not the deltoid linkage. Now only one relation is possible here which is remaining, that S plus L less than P plus Q. We have eliminate all the possibilities. Now finally we have come to the relation S plus L less than P plus Q. In this relation we will get the final answer. See here, when you get this relation using data, you have to go to the next step, that whether S is fixed or not. If S is fixed, we will get double crank mechanisms. If S is adjacent to fixed, if S means shortest link, if S is adjacent to fixed, we will get crank rocker mechanisms. Okay, if adjacent is using as a coupler, then we will get double rocker. But what is the mechanisms? In the question it is given crank rocker. That means shortest link is adjacent to fixed link. So this is 300. Okay, and what would be this link? This would be the shortest link. Okay, but we don't know what is the value of the shortest link. We need to use this relation. Through using this relation, we will get the final answer. If you think now we have to find out the value which is less than 300 mm. Okay, because PQ length is less than RS length. So basically the length of PQ is less than 300. That means out of 4 options there are only 2 possibilities, that is 80 mm and 200 mm. We have to find out one of them. What is the correct value? If I consider 200 mm as the length of this link, if I consider 200 mm as the length of this link, what would happen? We have to check the low is satisfied or not. So I am going to consider here that if I consider 200 length of PQ, that would be 200 plus 600, and here we will get P plus Q, that is 400 plus 300. This will be 700 and this will be 800, which is greater than 700. So basically it is not satisfied the relation. It don't satisfy the relation. So basically 200 will not be the correct answer. Option A would be the correct answer. You can check also 80 shortest plus longest, that is 600, which is less than 300 plus 400. So that is 680, which is less than 700. Low is satisfied, you will get the final answer. So first you have to eliminate. In order to solve these questions, you have to know all the possibilities of the 4 chain mechanisms. We have started the possibility when the low is not satisfied, then we will go to the low is satisfied, where we have 2 possibilities. One of them deltoid, there was a possibility for the mechanisms to be crank rocker, but in this case we have to fix the longest link. But in the question it is given that the longest link is not fixed here, we have fixed another link. So basically this is eliminated. Next, finally we will get the final relation, that is S plus L is less than P plus Q. There are a possibility for the crank rocker mechanisms when the shortest link is adjacent to fixed link. Okay, whatever be the link is fixed here, if the shortest link is adjacent to fixed, then we will get the crank rocker mechanisms. Okay, so basically this is the shortest link. Okay, so here this may be the shortest or this may be the shortest, but in the diagram you can see PQ is less than, PQ is small as compared to the RS. So basically it will be the shortest. That means it should be the less than 300. Okay, so if it is less than 300, what is the possibility? It would be either 800 or 200, 80 or it would be 200. If we check with 200 length, we have seen that the low is not satisfied. So finally when we use 80 mm length of PQ, we have seen that the low is satisfied. That means finally we will get the answer.